Hello everyone. This is a testimonial for Mr. Asshwin Dubey, who is a leading NLP practitioner in South Gujarat. It is Neuro-Linguistic programming basically. I recently had the privilege of attending one of his workshops in Surat. It was a full day workshop. I must say it was an excellent experience. In fact, I had studied NLP during my stay in Mumbai probably more than 2 decades ago, but it was mostly theoretical. For the first time in my life, I had the opportunity to put NLP into practice. What I liked most during the workshop was visualization techniques to relax, to heal, to overcome any traumatic experience and so on. Another thing which caught my attention was the process of making a vision board. Though we didn't have enough time to discuss everything in detail, but it was definitely a good beginning. The whole program was conducted in a very friendly and conducive manner. Mr. Dubey is definitely a very powerful communicator. And in fact, I look forward to attending his detailed program whenever it is possible. And I strongly recommend his services to anyone who wants to grow personally and professionally. And if you want to grow your business, stay healthy and happy, please contact Mr. Asshwin Dubey. Thank you very much. Best wishes. I am your friend Dharmendra Sir, founder Fluentlingua, Surat. Thank you very much.